To phrase a history of an honest man might evoke the tale of an individual whose life was marked by integrity, fairness, and adherence to moral principles. Here's an imagined historical narrative that could fit such a title: A History of an Honest Man. The life of John Fairborne. Early life. John Fairborne was born in 1842 in a small village nestled in the English countryside. The son of a blacksmith and a schoolteacher, John was raised with strong values of honesty and hard work. From a young age, he displayed an innate sense of justice, often mediating disputes among his friends with fairness that earned him their respect. The merchant years. As a young man, John moved to the bustling city of London, where he became a merchant. Despite the cutthroat nature of trade during the Victorian era, he stood out for his honesty. He refused to engage in deceitful practices, even when they could have brought him wealth. His customers trusted him implicitly, and his reputation grew. Fairborne's word is as good as gold. They would say champion of the underdog. John's success enabled him to advocate for fair treatment of workers. He became a prominent figure in campaigns for improved working conditions and fair wages. Though he was often pressured by wealthy contemporaries to abandon these causes, John remained steadfast. He believed wealth should be used to uplift others, not to exploit them. The truth teller. During a time of political unrest, John was elected to the local council. He was known for his uncompromising honesty, often exposing corruption even at great personal risk. His speeches, though sometimes controversial, resonated with the common people. They saw him as a rare leader who spoke the truth and acted in their best interests. Legacy. John Fairborne passed away in 1910, leaving behind a legacy of integrity. His funeral was attended by thousands, including workers, merchants, and politicians from all walks of life. In the decades that followed, his life became a symbol of what one person could achieve through honesty and unwavering principles. The story of John Fairborne reflects timeless values and reminds us of the power of honesty in shaping a life of purpose and impact. Is there a specific context or detail you'd like to focus on in the story of an honest man?